Welcome back to Clefmate PMS. So, the last video we learned how to register staff, our department, and then also register staff. So, before you can, in this session, we will walk through how to create a login account and also set privilege for a user or a staff. So, before you can create a login account and then also set a privilege for a user or a staff, you have to add the staff to the staff list first. Yeah. So let's go to our menu here. Then let's go to settings and go to user management. So we come to user management. Okay. So we're already having some accounts here, and if you want to register new staff, you come here and search for the staff that you want to register. So I want to register this particular staff, Kofi Atakra, which we created in the previous video. So I'll just select the Kofi Atakra and I'll create account for them. So here you only type the username. So this is the company's account or the company's ID or the code. So you have to put only the username for that particular user. So let's say the person is Kofi Atakra. So I can say Kofi Ata. Yeah. So I have account like Kofi Atakra. So snack sales hyphen 001 forward slash Kofi Ata. And then I will put my password inside here. Put my password inside here. And I'll set a rule. Yes, I'll set a rule for Kofi Ata. But that is the highest rule. So I want to put Kofi and let's say manager. Yeah. And then I'll set the status as active and I'll click on save. So you see user account save successfully. Yeah. So after saving the user account, you can go ahead and set a privilege for this particular user. So now let me log out and log in to this particular user and see if we will be able to log in. Okay, so let me go here and log out and input the username and put my password. Click on the login. Okay. So we are able to log in to the Clefmate. So because Kofi doesn't have any privilege, so the dashboard and everything here is actually empty. So he can't do anything at all. Actually, these are all empty things that he can't do anything within it. So he doesn't have any privilege. So now you have to go and then set privilege for him. So let me log out and then go and log into the administrator accounts. Okay, so the administrator account. So now let's go to the menu, come to setting, go to user privilege. So now we are going to set privilege to Kofi Ata, so that he can have some operations. So let's go to user privilege and we will have a list of users here. So let me search for Kofi Ata. Yeah. So I have my Kofi Ata here. So I'll go to view privilege and it will bring a lot of privilege. So the privilege that I want to give to Kofi Ata, everything will be coming here. So there are a lot of privilege. That's the function of the software. So um, I want Kofi to be able to have access to assets, that is the equipment and vehicles. That's the company or guest account. Front desk, Kofi should be able to check out without card. Have a booking source, a quick check-in, also set a discount and set a complement, update checking rates, but you will not be able to cancel, stay, or adjust. Housekeeping, okay, HR and then employee, okay, Kofi should be able to have access to it. Shops, whatever, okay, shop, okay. So that is the point of sales. When you come to restock, it's okay. Kofi should be able to restock something at the shop. And then stores, okay. Okay, we will not give any privilege to Kofi. Will Kofi be able to have access to invoices? Yes, invoice, but he will not be able to delete invoice or delete invoice item. Kofi can create a quotation as well. Yeah. And kitchen served, okay, Kofi is not in the kitchen, so you're not actually. Kofi can create a PO, yeah, draft spending, approve payable and all that. Okay, has access to the PO. Financial reports, no. Access reports, yes. So there are a lot of privileges that you if you want to set for Kofi, you can set. So you have the purchases, the reports, that the sales reports, a lot of sales reports, reports from the stores, report from taxes, reverse transaction, room setup. Okay, Kofi will be able to set up rooms, building, floors, guest room, make lock installation card, make multi-card, rate management, and then room type setup. Okay, so settings here, Kofi should be able to make settings to company info, branch info, account period to set taxes. Okay, user privileges, user. So Kofi will be able to create users for their company, for his company. So account automation, Kofi should be able to payments mode. There are a lot of privileges, and then you go through and then you can set it for Kofi. So this is how we log in and then create account and the privilege for a user in Clefmate management. So now let me go log out and then log into Kofi Test account. So Kofi Test accounts. Okay. And so I don't want to save. So Kofi Test. So now Kofi is having some kind of items. Yeah, privileges. He has some few privileges, things that he can actually do, customers and all that. Yeah. Thank you.